All right, we are back with another GooLoo product. If you haven't seen our GooLoo jump starter with the head-to-head against the Noco Boost, you should watch that. That is actually an amazing video, and it converted us into GooLoo fans. The GooLoo jump starter worked amazing in that video. GooLoo contacted us and said, if you like that, you should check out the A7. So this is a multi-purpose item here. This has a 6,000 amp jump starter. The jump starter that blew us away in the last video was a 4,000 amp. So this is 50% more powerful. And on top of that, has a tire inflator and also just a general purpose inflator and deflator for things like your pool floats and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. Okay, your kit comes with, of course, your GooLoo A7. Got a nice little carrying bag here. Nice sturdy box too, like really sturdy box that I think I'm gonna keep it in. Got your jumper cables, of course. And then you've got the tire inflator hose and then also a charging thing, of course. And then you've also got this hose here, which goes to the back, where you can use different fittings here for like your pool toys and stuff to either inflate or deflate the toys as well. And that's here on the back of the unit with these fans. We can turn the unit on here. Then pressing the fan button, it blows out here and it will deflate from here. All right, we've also got a very bright flashlight in the front here, of course, that you can change for different safety things with the strobe effect there. And of course, we know about the jump starter. We have the other video with the jump starting. But what we're going to do on this one is test the tire inflator. As usual, we've got different formats here. Okay, so we can cycle through kilopascals and bars, and there's PSI, which of course we're familiar with in the United States here. You can set your target right there. We'll go ahead and set 36 PSI. We're going to go ahead and give this a try on Vicky's car. So let's go ahead and deflate a tire and see how it performs. Okay, we've deflated down to just a bit under 20 PSI. I know we did a previous tire inflation portable unit video where it was able to inflate it to 36 PSI in like 5 minutes or so. Let's see how this one does. All right, we're going to inflate this tire up, and then also afterwards we're going to inflate this pool float here, this rather large pool float, just to see how that works. We don't have a dead battery to try the jump starter, but we know from the previous video, there is no question. Jump starting is the least of my worries about this thing. Okay, we can see that it is, wow, it's dead on accurate with the actual pressure that I measured with my gauge. Now we remember also previous experiments on another unit showed that there can be some variance with the pressure as it increases, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, there goes our pump. And we'll check back in just a little bit. Okay, we're going to stop. So we're at 1 minute and 52 seconds to bring it up to 30 PSI. We're just going to do a reality check here. Wow. Dead on accurate at 30 PSI. So unlike the other one that we tested, the accuracy on this is throughout a pretty large range. All right, let's finish up. We're going to get this to 36 PSI. Okay, as you can see, it turned off. I'm a little late with the timer, but we were under 3.5 minutes. Under 3.5 minutes to bring it up, and it stopped right at the 36 there. Let's check the accuracy. It reads 36 PSI. All right, very impressive. One thing I like about this is I really think every car should have a portable jump starter in it. But also nowadays, a lot of cars do not have spare tires. They have those portable inflators that come with the car, but they do not work very well at all. This combines both of those, so it actually saves space for two necessities you should have. And if you're going camping or you're going to the pool or the beach, you got your inflator. So this is pretty impressive here. Let's go ahead and try the inflator now. Okay, we've got our pool toy float here that we removed just so we can see it a little better. And I'm going to lock this in. It actually locks in to the inflate mode right there. Gonna power on our unit. And it's blowing. Okay, that inflated in just about a minute like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the hose from the inflate port, move it to the deflate port, and I guess actually to be realistic about it, oh, you know what, this is one of those where to deflate it you have to pinch the valve. Okay, so actually this is kind of a pain to deflate this one. So this is actually a pretty fair test on this design. Get that in there, and let's deflate. That's pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome. Oh, wow. I'll bet you could use this to like vacuum seal bags with clothes in them, or food or something like that. An air mattress. This would be a must-have for an air mattress. Wow, look at that. That's perfectly deflated already. All right, I am impressed. Well, there you have it. That's the GooLoo A7 with the 6,000 amp jump starter. You got your air compressor in there, you got your inflator and deflator, flashlight, complete set right here. And you should go and check it out with the link that we're going to put in the description. All right, thanks for watching. And thanks to GooLoo for sending this to us.